right, we got a new mess on the bench. Joel. This thing is locked up tight as a drum. Everything's messed. Let's get it opened up and see what we got. Here's something strange. I just took this out of this position right here. It's not a factory bolt and it's really long. I'm gonna have to check this for cracks. Hopefully they didn't bottom out the case. Anyway, this has an aftermarket LSD in it. I believe it's carbonetics. I'm sure there's a broken ring and pinion in here. You just can't see it and I can't move it. I'm sure you can see it right there, that one section down in there, that is all broken out. That's why it's locked up. So we're going to get it apart and start the rebuild process. All right, we got it all apart for the most part anyway. You can see the damage on the pinion gear here. Nothing unusual about that, but there's a lot of carbon material here from the Carbonetics LSD, from the carbon pucks that are inside this on the clutch plates. You can see it all inside here. Somebody did a lot of nice work on this ring gear. It's all chamfered and machined out to, be better. It looks really good. So whoever did build it did a nice job and went the extra mile with, dressing out this gear really nicely. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Putty Mod YouTube channel, and check this out. I mean, I don't know how many years it was since I put an ATS Lsd together on a S2000 rear, and here I am putting another one together within just weeks of the last one I did, which is just mind-blowing. But anyway, this was sent in by ASM, and we're putting this rear end together. It's a stage 3. It's going to get the Putty Mod solid steel sleeve, 410 gear ratio, all new Honda parts inside. Really nice setup. This is a track designated car. All right, we got that ATS and the arbor press here. Getting ready to put the new bearings in place. Got one already done, getting the next one in. Seated it. Perfect. Nice. Just like you want. Everything spins good. All right, go ahead and press the bearings in next. All right, we are torquing down the ring gear bolts. ATS sends you a new set of ring gear bolts with their unit. This comes in a package here. It's 103 Newton meters, so it's about 77 foot-pounds for the torque. Factory Honda setting is 70 foot-pounds. And that is our last one. I've already gone all the way around this thing, and we are dynamite. Anyway, today's episode is brought to you by Bobby. Bobby bought the Dunkin' coffee. I got me a iced caramel latte this time. Yeah, it's pretty good. But all right, anyway, let me get this out of the vise. I gotta go ahead and still put in the new rear bearing here, the washer and the seal and all that stuff. right, all set to set up the pinion now with the ring gear. See where our pattern is going to come out looking like. The flange has been restored and looks great. This thing was pretty messed up, had a broken bolt in it, really rusty. A lot of paint missing, so really freshened that up to make it look much better than it did. And of course our ring gear is all balanced out on the LSD, that ATS. And so we're going to go for our first setup, see what we got. All right, got a great pattern here. Backlash is perfect. It's consistent around the gear. Looks great. All right, we're going to blow it apart and set up that Putty Mod solid steel sleeve. All right, the Putty Mod solid steel sleeve in place. We're going to go for a second try. All right, Sunday fun day. In the shop on a Sunday, trying to get this thing buttoned up so I can get it out of here on Monday. Anyway, we are all set with the Putty Mod solid steel sleeve. It is in place, perfectly fitted, ready to do final assembly. Have our new nut and washer in place. That ATS Lsd looking great. Nice. Beautiful. All right, here we go. So our backlash. Right on the money at 3/1000. That's really nice and consistent too, by about a 1/2 thousandths all the way around that gear on that ATS Lsd. So that is super, super good. Got an excellent gear-to-gear contact pattern. I'll get the indicator out of the way. Hold on. All right, back with that pattern. Looks great. This one really came out super nice. Very smooth, quiet. Perfect.
AC officially.
It's got a pretty cool drain magnet in it. It's aftermarket. Looks just like a factory one from the outside, but it's got a fuller magnet on the inside. So I'm going to go ahead and reinstall that. There's a date on here from the last time it was serviced, approximately a year ago. This thing really did come out nice. I'll get this sent back out tomorrow. Added a couple stickers here. Name goes on after the quality goes in. Really nice. Well, here we are all finished up, buttoned up, everything looking good. Got our stickers in place. Stickers are fun. Labels not so much. All new hardware, because that other hardware that was in here looked like it was going to bottom out, or did bottom out. I didn't like that. Flange looks great. ATS Lsd, carbonetics, carbon fiber. Well, carbonetics is no more, but ATS is still around, and they still make carbon fiber LSD. Got the ATS sticker with the Putty Mod sticker. Looks pretty cool. All right, stay tuned for some more fun. Thanks for watching the Putty Mod YouTube channel. See ya.